So bearings, remember, are always measured from the north, they're always measured clockwise, and they're always 3 digits. So, and it says the bearing from P, so imagine that you're standing at P, and you're looking north, and then you're looking towards the ship. Okay, so let's do the easy thing first. Let's measure that angle from north P to S. So I'm putting the crosshairs on the X. I've got my 0 at the top. I'm counting around 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I think it's 50 degrees, but that's not a bearing. Remember the question says a bearing of S from P. Okay, so to get the bearing I have to go from the north clockwise and have 3 digits. So I know there's 360 in a circle, so 360, take away that 50, would give me a bearing of 310, so 310. That's my bearing, 310, as I look out towards the ship. Right, now I'm going to just move my piece of paper down to the second part of this question, and it says, oh, we're given a speed. This is a speed, distance, time question now. And it's told me, oh look, I can use this English to give me the formula. So speed, what is speed? Speed is kilometers per hour. That means kilometers, which is distance, divided by time. You see how you don't really need any of those complicated physics triangles. You just look at the units. Kilometers per hour means distance divided by time. That's what speed is. So I need to know the distance. How far away was that ship? Now I've got a scale, luckily. It says 1 centimetre represents 20 kilometres. So I want to know the distance between S and P. So if I measure that, I'm getting about 8.4 centimetres. About that. I'm going to go for 8.4. It could have been 8.3, I suppose. Right, so 8.4 centimetres, so I need to times that by 20, don't I, to get to the distance between the ship and the port. So 8.4 times by 20 is 168, so it's 168 kilometres away. Righty, so now I've got a distance, I've got a speed, and they want to know the time. So let's fill in what we know. We know the speed is 24, we know the distance is 168, but we don't know the time. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to rearrange this equation so time becomes the subject of the formula. So I'm going to times both sides by time, that becomes 24 times equals 168, and then I'll divide by 24. So time is equal to 168 divided by 24. If I did that on my calculator, I get the answer 7. So 7 hours it's going to take this ship to get to port. Okay, at its current speed. 5 marks, can't lose those, can we? Alright, please, please, please do pause that. Yeah, look at that, 50 degrees is not a bearing, it's an angle. So that's one to remember. And speed, distance, time, it just depends on you reading the English carefully. You don't need to remember any complicated formulas for speed. Yep, you haven't done too badly there. Nice.